Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you.
Hey guys, when was the last time you was in your car and you checked your purse? You know, have you ever been out and you need to do a little touch up? Well, I am out. My husband is in the store right now and I'm in the car waiting. So what is a better time than now to check and see if you have everything you need to upgrade your look? I think this is one of the good times to do it because you know what? You have daylight. Have you ever went to the store and tried to find some foundation, thought it was good in the store, and then when you come out or you get home and you try to wear that foundation ain't a good match because you wasn't out in the daylight. I have actually went to Macy's to the Max section, had them to match me up with foundation when I was wearing it like that, and actually stepped outside with it on to see if it was going to look the same or if it was a good match. Now, in my arsenal for my bag, I need some tweezers. I know for a fact I need tweezers. Look at that. I need a eyebrow pencil. I need, let's see, some type of lip gloss. And I need a tinted moisturizer and sun blocker. Because if I'm in the car and I need to clean up my brows, that tinted sun blocker would not only make your skin look even and toned, but it will, you know, protect your skin. And you can shape your, you know, your brows with it. I need me something to be able to clean my, I sort of like that one over there, but I need something to be able to clean my hands with. So I got my baby wipes. Because I told y'all that we're not really makeup wearers anymore. Because we're embracing our hair. We're embracing or trying to enhance our natural beauty without going too far with the makeup. You need some type of shaver just in case you see some hairs that ain't supposed to be there. So I got my shaver in here. Always make sure that's charged. Got my lip gloss. And what else I got? I got all type of stuff in here. You're gonna need some type of thing to shape up your brows. Now this is what I was telling y'all about. I need to wipe this off. This is like a this BB cream. This is one of the best things because it is like a sun blocker, and it has a broad spectrum of SPF 21, and it's a tinted moisturizer. So if you're out and you don't really like wearing foundation, then this tinted moisturizer will not only protect your skin, it will not only protect your skin, but it will clean up any look that you have. Hold on. Okay guys, so just in case you didn't know what it looked like, see that? Just a tinted moisturizer. And that's if you don't like, you know, wearing foundations and stuff like that, but you still want a nice even look. You see that? It just disappears. And yeah, they got different shades and everything, so I would take them eyes and everything. And I am just checking my bag to see what I have, what I need. Now guys, I use any little container like this, and I have my gel in here. So believe it or not, this is Eco Styling Gel, okay? My favorite gel. And in the very top, if you can see it, I got some white gel in there. See the right there is white. That is my Got to Be glue. Now, I may go get me another Got to Be glue container from my car, because remember I told you guys I use that for, you know, my flyaways. So I'm not really curling my hair in this car while I'm waiting for my husband to come out the store. I just need something that's going to hold my hair down. And yeah, that will get it. So guys, this has made my life a lot easier. This is my little traveling pouch. You know what? Because I know I'm going to forget. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my pouch right here. I am. Because I know I need that. And the other thing that I need is a liner brush for my eyes. And let's see here. Now guys, I'm just showing you, since I'm sitting here, I'm just showing you, you know, how I keep myself busy in my car if I'm not playing my video game or, you know, doing something else up in here, talking on the phone. I just thought I would show you how, what I got in my car. Also guys, y'all know it's always important to have hand sanitizer and some type of bacterial wipes. Okay, to keep your hands clean for different occasions. Now I have this in here. Just imagine this. Just imagine you go to the gas station and you pump your gas, right? You pump your gas, everybody done had their hand on that pump, and you come back in here and put a piece of gum in your mouth. Or something happens and you scratch your eye and now you got an infection, you know. Or let's say you go and pump your gas or touch the outside handle, and after you finish, you know, shopping and everything, you come in here and put your hand on your steering wheel, right? You put your hand on your steering wheel. Now you done put all the germs in your steering wheel, not thinking about it. You come in there later or whatever, you put a piece of gum in your mouth, or you touch your eye, now you got pink eye and stuff like that. You know, yeah, it transmits like that. So I have me some hand bacterial wipes. And guys, I wash my, I wipe my hands with these, and I also wipe off my steering wheel, because the steering wheel has so many germs on it. Now, like I said, this is just me being cautious. You know, I dip my door handles, you know, anything that I feel like I'm touching, even some of the buttons in my car, you know, anything that you're going to make contact with, just stick shift and, you know, and things like that. Just trying to cut down on the possibility of, you know, you giving yourself a disease or something. Or, you know, you spreading germs and touching your skin and your face. Or let's not even talk about your private parts. Well, guys, I am just in here taking inventory in my car. I just thought I would ask you guys, do you have all the stuff in your car that you would need to, you know, touch up your hair and your makeup, just in case you need to do that when you're out with your significant other, or you just need to touch up an area and you didn't bring a purse or something. You always have your bag. Always have your bag, baby. I know my husband gonna say, when I went in the store, you didn't look like that. But it ain't no big deal because I don't wear a lot of makeup anyway. Y'all know we on this like natural journey, natural hair, trying to cut down on wearing a lot of makeup. So I'm just enhancing what I have. I save all that heavy makeup wearing if I need to, if we going out or, you know, concerts and special dinners and anniversaries and things like that. But until then, I'm letting my skin breathe, and I am loving the skin that I am in. There you go. There we go. Well, guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Guys, hit that notification bell down below so you will not miss my next video. I'm loving this. I can play in my hair all while here in the store. And love the skin that you are in, guys. Tell me in the comment section down below what's in your makeup bag or your traveling pouch. You should see my little puppy suitcase back there. I got everything for my puppy back there. Everything. Everything that he would need when he riding in the car with me. It's cute too. He got a little puppy bag. I love it. So guys, I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all know I can talk to y'all all day. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Nah.
That's all I need.